Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my carrot cake. I have my oven preheated at 375. In my mixer I'll be mixing 2 cups of sugar, this carrot cake is really good. So there's 1. That's quicker. 2. To my 2 cups of sugar, I'll be placing in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, along with 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I also have 2 cups of flour. I'll place that in. I'll put my mixer on low. To this I'll add in 4 eggs. I have the eggs at room temperature. There's 1. Two. There's 3. Last one. To this, I'll add in 1 cup of vegetable oil. I'll turn the mixer up a little bit. I'll scrape down my sides. You want to make sure that everything's mixed good. So I'll scrape down the sides. Turn the mixer on one more time to make sure everything on the bottom is mixed. And then that's when I'll fold in my 4 cups of grated carrots and my 1 cup of chopped pecans. You can see how good this is all mixed. So now I'll turn my mixer off. Take my attachment off. Now I'll fold in my 4 cups of grated carrots. I'll do a little at a time. Oh yeah, this looks good. Fold in the rest. This looks really good. See how quick and easy this was to prepare? Look at how good that looks. So now that I folded in my carrots, I have 1 cup of chopped pecans that I'll fold in. I have my cake pan that I already sprayed cooking spray in so the carrot cake doesn't stick to the sides. So now I'll pour it in. Looks good. So now I'll place it in my oven. See how quick and easy that was? Now for cleanup. And once I clean this up, I'll show you how I make my cream cheese frosting. Now for my cream cheese frosting, I'm going to be making that while my carrot cake is in the oven. I'll use half a stick of butter or 4 tablespoons. I'll place that in my mixer and it's at room temperature. Along with 8 ounces of cream cheese, that's also at room temperature. I'll place that in. To 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. To 2 cups of powdered sugar. You can hear old Ruru out there. He must want some bread. I usually give them treats throughout the day. And it's about treat time. So before I put my 2 cups of powdered sugar in my mixing bowl, I'll cream the vanilla extract, the cream cheese, and the butter until it's smooth. I'll scrape down the sides. Want to make sure everything's mixed good. Now I'll add in my 2 cups of powdered sugar. Oh yeah, looks good. Let me scrape down the sides. Looks really good. Oh yeah, look at that. This is really good on the carrot cake too. Oh yeah. Looking good. Once I take the carrot cake out and let it cool, then I'll frost it and This is really one great carrot cake. It's been 40 minutes now. I'm going to take my carrot cake out of the oven. Oh yeah, look at that. Doesn't that look good? So now I'll let my carrot cake cool before I take it out of the tube pan and then frost it. Doesn't this carrot cake look good? It smells really good. So now that I have my cake out of my cake pan, I'll let it sit and cool before I put my cream cheese frosting on top, and this is super duper delicious. I'll be taking this over to a friend's house, surprising them with homemade carrot cake and homemade cream cheese frosting. Now that my carrot cake has cooled, I'll frost it. This cream cheese frosting is just so smooth. Look at how good that looks. Doesn't that look pretty? Nothing like homemade carrot cake and homemade cream cheese frosting. My friends are gonna love this. I can't wait for them to taste it. So thanks so much for tuning into Home Cooking with Cheryl and watch me make my homemade carrot cake and cream cheese frosting. Please follow me on Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and especially ifood.tv. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye. Can't wait to have this. Mmm.